Hey guys, today I'll be sharing with you a delicious vegan chickpea sauce. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. To a pot on medium heat, we're going to add 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Bring the mixture to a simmer. Add 1/4 cup of chickpea flour. Reduce the temperature down to low and cook for about 10 minutes. And there you have it, a delicious chickpea sauce.